Strong winds caused extensive damage across parts of the United States today, including Colorado, Wyoming, and South Dakota. Trees were downed, and widespread disruption was reported across the affected areas. Nature seems to have created a subtle plan to put life under threat. Gradually pushing it toward danger. Fierce winds shatter landscapes in moments, while snowstorms paralyze roads and everyday life. At the same time, devastating floods engulf homes and entire cities. One extreme weather event after another is creating an unending chaos of destruction. This is one such example, as strong winds swept across Wyoming and the High Plains. The intensity of the winter storm in various parts of the United States has become a terrifying monster. Due to snowfall and strong winds, visibility has dropped almost to zero. It feels as if the states are facing extreme danger from the sound of the winter storm. In a dramatic incident northwest of Cheyenne, a powerful storm derailed and blew an entire train off the tracks.